All right, let's get right to it. We're going to unbox the Manic HS-301 headset. It's called a gaming headset. It's got little lights on the side, big 50mm drivers for speakers, and a really nice microphone. This all costs under $30. And when I mean under $30, you can't just get it for a set price. This thing moves up and down like the stock market on Amazon. It's just how they play the game, depending how many of them are out there. But when I picked it up, it was about $25. Anyhow, let's jump right into it. I'm just doing the unboxing right now, showing the box here. You can see driver unit, 50mm, impedance, 60 ohms, plus or minus 15%. It's got 7.1 channel sound. I'm not quite sure how they do that. It's got 2 speakers on it. But anyhow, let's get it open. Let's open it up and check it out. See what you get inside the box. This is just a simple unboxing. Show you the box, open it up, show you what's inside the box, and all that. All that good stuff. Let's open it up. Comes in it's got a nice little foam packaging there. And we'll open up the foam packaging. This little sheet you see here, it's straight up in Korean. There's no like 5 different languages. It is like all in Korean. I think it's a warranty sheet or something, but yeah, I can't make heads or tails of it, but because I'm sorry, I don't speak Korean. Anyhow, let's take the headset out of this little baggie here, this nice little soft baggie it comes with. Nothing else in the baggie. All it is, it's just a straight up headset. USB, might I add, which is super, super cool. Helps cut down on distortion and all the interference you may get with just a regular traditional headphone jack, like a 3.5mm. So you'll see it's just USB, which is awesome, by the way. So yeah, we'll plug that in just a second. You can see it's the microphone is on a stick, like a traditional headset that maybe a call center may use. There's no option for a traditional 3.5mm. It is just a USB headset, which is totally fine. Cuts down on any kind of interference you might get with your computer, which is awesome. You'll see in a sec that it has speakers that light up. Not the speakers, but the sides of the headset light up. These are really cushy. These the cushions around the speaker drivers. Right now, I'm trying them on. Real soft. I mean, you could easily wear these for an hour. I've already been wearing. I've been wearing this headset for an hour, and as you might guess, this sound right now is the headset itself. So if you've liked the sound up till now, this is the kind of sound you should expect from the Manic HS-301. Yeah, so I mean, if that's not a selling point, I don't know what is. But the top of the headset, it's got the spongy kind of bungee material, which is nice. Here is the cord. The cord is a little over 6 feet long. I think on the box it says 2.2 meters. Plenty long for me. My computer is a little ways away from me, so it's nice to have this long cord. Some people might go, oh, the long cord gets in the way, but I don't know. I like it. All right, here we go. This is USB driven, and we're going to plug in the USB cable right now and watch it turn on. Right when you plug in the USB cable into a computer that is on, you will see these lights turn on. Unfortunately, there's no way to turn these lights off. It's not programmable. You can't download a software package to, change like which colors you like. It goes through a whole pattern of different colors, whether it's, red, cyan, blue, purple, pink. It kind of just fades in and out. You'll see it's fading in and out of different colors, and that's just what it does. I mean, it's cool that it has lights, but a con is you can't turn the lights off. Con is you can't change the lights if you like blue. You just want it to be blue all the time. You can't do that. It just rotates through the colors. So it's the only kind of downer like with this headset that I've found so far. The speaker drivers are big, 50mm. You get some good sound out of them. Bass isn't too bad. The microphone, the actual mic is really good. I mean, if you like how it sounds right now, this is how it picks up. This is how it picks up the sound. It's really smooth. I got lots of other noises going on in my office with all these fans and stuff on all this network equipment that I have in here, and you may hear it a little bit in the background, but I think it does a good job kind of like canceling it out, or like kind of like getting rid of, some of the little like scratchy type stuff happening in the background. And yeah, it's kind of it. My deal stash.